How to apply for temporary vacancies with Tesco's. With the COVID-19 situation evolving every day, Tesco's need to recruit extra temporary in-store colleagues. To apply for a job in one of Tesco's stores, candidates will need to register with Tesco's and create a profile. Candidates will need to keep their profile up to date by adding their latest skills and experiences. Firstly, candidates will need to register and set up an online account on the Tesco's website. You will be asked to fill in your personal information such as your title, contact details, address, education history and disability status. Candidates will then have to fill in a questionnaire. The topic of the questions include bank account details, criminal offense status, right to work and is the candidate over the age of 18. Stage 4 will require the candidates to fill in their employment history. Stage 5 requires the candidate to upload their CV. Candidates will then be asked for proof of identity, allowing candidates upload their passport, P45/P60, payslip, HMRC letter, benefits letter, marriage certificate or deed poll. Candidates will then be able to submit their application. To view the latest vacancies with Tesco's, visit www.tescocareers.com.